How do people sell baked goods online, and are baked goods profitable, and can you make money selling baked goods? Well, as a matter of fact, they are. I've actually been in the baking business for over 13 years, and the majority of that time has been online. I'm actually going to show you one cookie, very simple to make, but we sell around $21,000 to $22,000 a year. This one particular cookie online, and it's only one of 300 items that we make. Now I want to show you, I'm going to walk over to our bakery and show you a little bit about what we got going on, but also explain the one thing that separates us from other people who sell cookies very similar to what we do, and why we are so successful doing what we do online. And this tip can help you with any type of food product that you sell online. We're gonna get into that right now. All right, so here, let me take a look. I'm scrolling over. This is the particular cookie right there. So far this year, it's 21,700 and change on that one. And the variety of other items as you see below listed there, these are other baked goods, candies, and other snacks that we make and sell online. This one particular was for that cookie I showed you that's iced, very simple to make. Now this is a handful of other sales of what our other products that we sell online. And again, these are done very simplistically. We don't overthink what we do. And a lot of these products are items that other people sell kind of similar to, but we make our own within our own commercial kitchen. So let me go over and let me explain a little bit more on how this works. All right, so what I wanted to show you specifically about this video was that you don't need to complicate what you make or what you produce as far as food products when you're selling them online, especially on Amazon or any of these other existing platforms. I'm going to show you a little glimpse. One of the most popular cookies that we sell over $21,000 a year just in the one single cookie as part of our revenue is this. And this is actually another batch. They're getting ready to go out. We've got probably about 80 or 90 cookies here, and we're loading up our cooling rack over there with more that are coming out this morning. Why am I explaining to you this? Because it's not that difficult in order for you to sell simple food items like baked goods, snacks, trail mixes, nuts, all of these different types of products. They don't have to be rocket science in order for you to sell them. Now, the reason why I tell you the dollar amount is that if you can create one single style of cookie, for instance, like we do, or one single style of any food product, you can create multiple variations of that. And that one image that I showed you about, the 21,000, that is one flavor of one cookie of the 300 items that we bake, make, and ship out on all of our platforms, from Amazon to eBay to Etsy and everyone else in between. So the video is not about me bragging about what I can do, what I can't do. I'm trying to explain one simple method in the fact that if you have an idea, you have one flavor profile, you have one particular product, just simply start selling it. The best way to differentiate yourself from anyone else who's selling a similar item or something else within the same category is by marketing and promoting it. Your online e-commerce business will not flourish and prosper without you actually marketing it and promoting and advertising it. A lot of my clients come to me when I do my 1-hour consults and they say, well, Damon, I've got this great idea and I've been putting it online. It's on Etsy and I have it there and nothing seems to be selling. I don't make any money. I started an Amazon store and I have about 5 or 6 items, but I'm not selling anything. My first question is, how are you promoting it? The things that we make are not something that we invented or created. They're simply our take and our version on it. So that means that it's already out there and there's other people selling it. But why am I able to sell as much as I do on my platforms? Because I promote it, I market it, I create YouTube channels to help promote those products and create listing links in the descriptions. I create a Pinterest page where we have 180,000 people a month that visit it because we create multiple pins and different boards over and over and over. I have a huge following on LinkedIn. We create those different posts even on LinkedIn because there's a lot of food industry executives, food grocery stores, food buyers, people who are interested in food on LinkedIn. All of these different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and everyone else in between, those are the places you need to be, and you have to be on them consistently over and over and over. Creating content about your product, creating video samples, creating people who are trying it and giving their testimonials. Anything that you can do that's creating content behind the product or service that you're selling, that will differentiate you from everyone else. And you don't have to always pay-per-click. You don't have to buy ads. You don't have to run ads on Amazon even. You don't have to run ads on Facebook. You can and you could, yes, don't get me wrong. But at the end of the day, if you're not getting an ROI that's really worth it, then you're wasting your money and your time. So the idea is this. You create a product, create your listings, be active on social media platforms consistently and constantly, and those people will come to you. The next thing, of course, you have to have great customer service. You got to have great feedback. Don't take it for granted when people buy products from you online. And also don't assume that the traffic is turning over to buyers. You're not going to get people who are coming to your websites or coming to your listings aren't necessarily going to be those who will buy it. Maybe not this moment. But down the road, when they do, make sure on the other end of it, the customer service piece and that side of it is always there. You got to respond to emails. You got to follow up with damaged items. If the item comes back and it's not working and it's broken, and it happens, we have cookies all the time. Unfortunately, at UPS, FedEx, it gets damaged. So we just simply replace it. 0 questions asked, 100% guaranteed. When you can also guarantee your product and stand behind it, that differentiates you as a seller and your products. Even if there's 20 people selling the exact same thing, hey, Damien, this thing was broke. No problem. I'm shipping you a new one. Don't worry about it. For me to ship out a $20 set of cookies and lose a customer and possibly get negative feedback or any of that thing, it's not worth it. If I'm doing about $21,000 or $22,000 a year on one singular cookie, and I have the opportunity to make 1 or 2 or 3 transactions right because they were broken, so what? I look at it as an investment because that customer sees the type of customer service we offer, and they're going to come back and offer more and more purchases from you, and they're going to ship them out to family, friends. They're going to ship them out to everybody. So in this video, I wanted to do answer a really quick question that I had got an email from one of our subscribers about he actually was saying that he is selling an item that there's a lot of other people selling it. Why is he not able to sell it? So just that very reason, you need to promote and market it. And if you don't know who your customer end user is, then you need to research that, because that gives you an opportunity on social media to be more precise about who and where you target your content. And also the use of hashtags. All of these things put together, you're going to narrow down the people who actually will buy your product. So I hope that helps you guys out. And if you have any more questions about how to actually differentiate yourself and set yourself apart from other people's products, let me know down below. I'd be happy to create some more content and videos. Take a look. Also, we've got some videos uploading today in the next couple of days, just the day after Thanksgiving, and I'll see you on our next video.